A. Birth.
Anna had a baby yesterday. He was born at 1:15 yesterday morning. He weighed 3 kilograms. They are going to call him John, after John, his grandfather. His grandfather's birthday is June the 16th too, but he was born in 1957. The baby's parents were born in 1986.
B. Marriage.
If you do not have a partner, you are single. If you have a husband or wife, you are married. If your husband or wife dies, you are widowed. If your marriage breaks up, you are separated or divorced.
Harry and Sarah got married. They got married in 2001. They went on their honeymoon to Italy. They were married for 15 years.
C. Death.
Then Harry became ill. He died last year. He died of a heart attack.